This is the Roborock Q8 Max robot vacuum, and I've had it for a few weeks. I wanted to show you how this thing works. Now, to turn it on, simply press the button here. And you can see right away he starts working. Now, it does have a lot of good suction ability. It does have a camera so you can see where it's going. It does pick up hair and all kinds of debris that may be on your floor. And the cool thing about this robot is you can actually program it where to go and where to not go.
Position established.
You can do a full cleaning of the entire house. You can do it room by room and just press which room you want to clean, or you can do it by zones.
Returning to dock.
Can do that on the app, and there he goes. Does also have mopping ability. You can add water and control how much water comes out as he mops your floor. It's truly a marvel of technology, how this robot can suck up so much dirt and know exactly where to go and where not to go. And I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants a robot vacuum.